Hi, in this video we will be talking about budgeting for millennials. Watch this video to the end to explore budgeting strategies tailored to millennials, providing tips and tricks to help them achieve financial stability and success. Welcome back to the International CEO. Budgeting is a critical skill for individuals of any age, but it holds particular importance for millennials, a generation navigating unique financial challenges. Born between the early 1980s and mid-1990s, millennials have faced economic turbulence, including the Great Recession and now, amidst a global pandemic, the COVID-19 crisis. These challenges have shaped their financial outlook, emphasizing the importance of budgeting and financial literacy. In this guide, we'll explore budgeting strategies tailored to millennials, providing tips and tricks to help them achieve financial stability and success. Before delving into budgeting techniques, it's crucial to understand the financial landscape millennials face. Many entered the workforce during or shortly after the Great Recession, experiencing stagnant wages, high student loan debt, and skyrocketing living costs. Additionally, the gig economy and the rise of contract work have altered traditional employment structures, leading to income volatility and uncertainty. Amidst these challenges, millennials are also known for their tech savviness and adaptability. Leveraging technology, they have access to a plethora of budgeting tools and resources, making it easier than ever to manage their finances effectively. Tips and tricks for millennial budgeting. Millennials are digital natives, making technology a powerful ally in their budgeting efforts. Numerous apps and online tools are available to help track expenses, create budgets, and monitor financial goals. Platforms like Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, and Personal Capital sync with bank accounts, credit cards, and investments, providing real-time insights into spending habits and financial health. By embracing technology, millennials can streamline their budgeting process and gain greater control over their finances. Create a realistic budget. One of the foundational steps in effective budgeting is creating a realistic budget tailored to individual financial circumstances. Start by calculating monthly income after taxes and deducting fixed expenses such as rent, mortgage, utilities, and insurance premiums. Next, allocate funds for variable expenses like groceries, transportation, entertainment, and savings. Be honest about spending habits and prioritize essential expenses while leaving room for discretionary spending. Prioritize debt repayment. Student loan debt is a significant burden for many millennials, impacting their ability to achieve financial milestones such as buying a home or saving for retirement. Prioritize debt repayment by allocating extra funds towards high-interest loans or credit card debt. Consider refinancing student loans to secure a lower interest rate, potentially reducing monthly payments and overall interest costs. Implementing a debt repayment strategy, such as the debt snowball or debt avalanche method, can provide a clear roadmap to becoming debt-free. Adopt the 50-30-20 rule. The 50-30-20 rule is a popular budgeting framework that allocates income into three categories: needs, wants, and savings, debt repayment. Automate savings and investments. Saving money can be challenging, especially when faced with competing financial demands. Automate savings and investments by setting up recurring transfers from checking to savings accounts or contributing to retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA directly from each paycheck. By automating contributions, millennials can prioritize saving without the temptation to spend discretionary income. Additionally, take advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans and matching contributions to maximize savings potential. Practice conscious spending. Mindful spending involves being intentional with money and aligning purchases with personal values and goals. Before making a purchase, ask yourself if it brings genuine value or contributes to long-term objectives. Utilize cash or debit cards for discretionary spending to avoid accruing high-interest debt on credit cards. By practicing conscious spending, millennials can curb impulse buys and make informed financial decisions. Diversify income streams. The gig economy has revolutionized the way people work, offering opportunities for additional income outside of traditional employment. Millennials can leverage their skills and interests to diversify income streams through freelance work, consulting, tutoring, or monetizing hobbies. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and TaskRabbit facilitate freelance opportunities across various industries. Diversifying income not only boosts earning potential but also provides a financial safety net in times of economic uncertainty. Negotiate expenses. Millennials shouldn't shy away from negotiating expenses to lower costs and free up funds for savings or debt repayment. When leasing an apartment or purchasing a car, negotiate terms to ensure favorable terms and lower monthly payments. Additionally, inquire about employer benefits like gym memberships or wellness programs that can save money on recurring expenses. Build an emergency fund. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in an easily accessible savings account. Start small by setting aside a portion of each paycheck until the fund reaches the desired target. An emergency fund provides peace of mind and protects against unforeseen circumstances such as job loss, medical expenses, or car repairs. Invest in financial education. Financial literacy is a powerful tool for millennials seeking to improve their financial well-being. Invest in financial education through books, podcasts, online courses, or workshops that cover topics like budgeting, investing, debt management, and retirement planning. By continuously learning and staying informed, millennials can make informed financial decisions and navigate complex financial landscapes confidently. Leverage credit wisely. Credit cards can be valuable financial tools when used responsibly, helping build credit history and offering rewards and benefits. However, mismanagement of credit can lead to high-interest debt and financial stress. Millennials should leverage credit wisely by paying off balances in full each month to avoid interest charges. Utilize credit cards strategically, taking advantage of cashback rewards or travel perks while staying within budgeted spending limits. Monitor credit reports regularly to detect errors or fraudulent activity and address them promptly. By maintaining good credit habits, millennials can strengthen their financial position and access favorable loan terms in the future. Track and analyze spending habits. Understanding where money goes is essential for effective budgeting and financial planning. Millennials should track and analyze their spending habits regularly, using budgeting apps or spreadsheets to categorize expenses and identify areas for improvement. Look for patterns or trends in spending, such as excessive dining out or impulse purchases, and make adjustments accordingly. By staying vigilant and proactive, millennials can gain better control over their finances and make informed decisions about resource allocation. Embrace minimalism and frugality. Embracing minimalism and frugality can be powerful strategies for millennials looking to stretch their dollars further and reduce financial clutter. Adopt a minimalist mindset by decluttering possessions and prioritizing experiences over material possessions. Practice frugality by seeking out deals, shopping at thrift stores, and opting for cost-effective alternatives to expensive luxuries. Cook meals at home, carpool or use public transportation, and explore free or low-cost entertainment options. By embracing simplicity and mindful consumption, millennials can live more intentionally and allocate resources towards their financial priorities. Plan for major expenses. Anticipating and planning for major expenses can prevent financial surprises and ensure preparedness for significant life events. Millennials should proactively save for expenses such as weddings, vacations, home purchases, or starting a family. Break down large expenses into manageable savings goals and allocate funds accordingly. Consider opening dedicated savings accounts for specific goals to track progress and avoid dipping into emergency funds. Additionally, explore options like employer-sponsored benefits or government programs that offer assistance for specific life events. Planning ahead allows millennials to navigate major expenses with confidence and minimize financial strain. Seek professional financial advice. While millennials have access to a wealth of financial information online, seeking professional advice can provide personalized guidance and expertise tailored to individual circumstances. Consider consulting with a certified financial planner, CFP, or advisor to develop a comprehensive financial plan and address specific goals and concerns. A financial professional can provide valuable insights on investment strategies, retirement planning, tax optimization, and risk management. Investing in professional advice can offer peace of mind and ensure sound financial decision-making for the long term. Cultivate a side hustle or passion project. In addition to traditional employment, millennials can explore side hustles or passion projects to supplement income and pursue interests outside of work. Whether it's freelance writing, photography, tutoring, or creating handmade crafts, cultivating a side hustle can generate extra cash flow and provide a creative outlet. Identify skills or hobbies that can be monetized and explore opportunities to market products or services online. Platforms like Etsy, Patreon, and Udemy offer avenues for monetizing creative talents and reaching a broader audience. Practice delayed gratification. Delayed gratification involves postponing immediate desires in favor of long-term rewards, a principle that is especially relevant in budgeting and financial planning. Instead of succumbing to impulse purchases or instant gratification, millennials should practice patience and discipline when making financial decisions. Set savings goals for desired purchases or experiences and work towards them gradually over time. Implement strategies like the 30-day rule, where non-essential purchases are delayed for a month to assess necessity and prioritize savings. By cultivating patience and delaying gratification, millennials can build financial resilience and achieve greater satisfaction from achieving long-term goals. Foster a supportive financial community. Building a supportive financial community can provide encouragement, accountability, and shared resources in the journey towards financial independence. Connect with peers, friends, or family members who share similar financial goals and values, forming a network for mutual support and encouragement. Join online communities, forums, or social media groups focused on personal finance and engage in discussions, share experiences, and exchange tips and advice. Consider participating in financial challenges or accountability groups where members set and track progress towards shared goals. Review and adjust budget regularly. A budget is not a static document but rather a dynamic tool that requires regular review and adjustment to reflect changing circumstances and priorities. Millennials should review their budget regularly, ideally on a monthly basis, to assess progress, identify areas for improvement, and make necessary adjustments. Update income and expense categories as income fluctuates or new expenses arise. Evaluate whether spending aligns with priorities and adjust allocations accordingly. Use budgeting software or apps to track spending in real time and receive alerts for overspending or deviations from the budget. By staying proactive and adaptable, millennials can ensure their budget remains relevant and effective in achieving financial goals. Celebrate milestones and progress. Achieving financial milestones, no matter how small, is cause for celebration and reinforcement of positive behaviors. Millennials should celebrate progress towards financial goals and acknowledge milestones such as paying off debt, reaching savings targets, or achieving investment milestones. Celebrate achievements in meaningful ways that align with values and priorities, whether it's treating oneself to a special experience or sharing accomplishments with loved ones. Recognize the effort and discipline required to achieve financial success and use celebrations as motivation to continue pursuing financial goals. By celebrating milestones, millennials can reinforce positive financial habits and maintain momentum towards long-term prosperity. Budgeting for millennials is not just about managing money. It's about empowering individuals to take control of their financial futures and achieve their dreams. By embracing technology, prioritizing debt repayment, practicing conscious spending, and investing in financial education, millennials can navigate the complexities of the modern financial landscape with confidence and resilience. With dedication, discipline, and a commitment to continuous improvement, millennials can build a solid foundation for financial success and create a brighter future for themselves and future generations. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, hit that bell, comment, and subscribe for more content on the International CEO. See you next time.